Welcome to Wild Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Za from Weird Wild Pizza. Here we make awesome recipes from sourdough starter. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Sourdough Hawaiian Calzone. 1 cup sourdough starter. Half a teaspoon of salt. Half a cup of bread flour. Add a little bit at a time. Flour your surface. Knead dough for 30 seconds. Add a little water if it's too dry, or add some flour if it's too sticky. Lightly flour bowl, add dough and cover and rest for 1 hour. Cut ham into small pieces. Half a cup of ham, 1/4 cup pineapple tidbits, 1/4 cup tomato sauce, half a cup mozzarella cheese, flour. Roll dough. Flour lightly as needed. Slide onto parchment paper lined baking pan. 1/4 cup tomato sauce. Half the mozza, 1/4 cup. Half a cup of ham. 1/4 cup pineapple. Other half of mozza, 1/4 cup. Fold calzone and seal. Slice air vent. Brush with melted butter. Bake at 475 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes or until golden brown. Slice it. A sourdough Hawaiian calzone. This looks awesome. And to all of you out there who don't like Hawaiian pizza, don't worry, it's calzone. Oh yeah. That's good. Thanks for watching Wild Sourdough. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.